Maring, you say hi to my vlog. Say hi vlog, like that.
Here at the Azure North, and then because birthday kasi ng ate ng jowa ko, guys, so bukas pa pala the birthday girl for tomorrow is Ate Darika. Tapos guys, mag-unpack muna kami, mamaya ka mag-video. Let's unboxing, Charis. Why? Why? My things. Kiss me first.
I want to play this one.
Okay, you play. Say hi to the vlog na.
No.
No. Wow, puro construction. Thanks to Tita Ari to this bag. Gift sa kanya ni Ina pero ginamit ko. This bag, super cute. Kay Tita, ito lahat guys. Cute naman ito.
But from here or not.
Ganda swimming na. Let's jump there.
Why do we just put swimming away go? Away go.
Ano daw?
I know to swim by myself then.
You want to swim by yourself? But you're so short. You're so short.
At I'm going to put my salvida.
Salbabida.
Hi guys.
Mga bathroom kinemeres. Para saan to? Sa sunburn, bure ka. So guys, ito ang aming food for 3 days. Tapos, may mga luluto-lutuin kami mamaya. What?
Someone give me a hug.
Wow!
Ay, Atigya pala. Atigya pala yan.
Okay.
Maling so ingay aman.
I want to call it.
Eh naman rin. You're so ingay, Maring. May mga lulutuin.
Sa taas.
Housemate kami today.
Ay, pa sa taas.
Saan?
Dito.
Hello guys! Parang stuck sa bahay! Parang stuck sa bahay guys! What the heck bro? Tapos syempre di mawawala to.
First kain dito.
Thank you!
Mareng! Guys, ano na namin, first time na namin dito lumabas. Hindi namin alam yung gagawin namin kung makakababa kami ng Barrios or
Let's
hindi.
see.
Asang signal? Dito pa rin. So guys, successful. Pabili. Pabili.
Guys, like a Paris with everyone else on the same flight. Final boarding, and I at this point had to leave all pissed off, and the cute guy notices me, and he walks to where I'm standing, and he says, I'd be like, yeah, I'm fine, like, go away. But there was...
Kakagising lang namin. Para kaming ano badyaw. Tapos namin kumain. Nakatulog kami. Solid, no? Para kami na betchin. Sarap ng tulog namin. Ako na siya natulog. Naingit ako. Sabi ko lang. Sila matulog. Ba't nandito yung wallet mo, babe? Nakabalandra yung mukha ko. Nakabalandra yung mukha ko, guys. Love bros here. Wow!
Wow, singer!
Guys, today it's shot time. We have pulutan, nachos, and chicken wings. Oh, sige. We have chimken. Nagka-picture mo. Nagka-picture ka pala, di mo sinasabi.
Behind the scene.
Biniblog-vlog ko pa mo. That's the vibe, guys. Wala. Wala, buhom na daw. Shy daw siya kaya nakatago sa ilalim. Yes, galing. Wow, peace. Nakatago.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. Ain't never getting older. It's right off the corner of the mattress that you saw.
Flex daw, flex. Watch it.
Sino yan?
Ikaw!
Ikaw! Sino to yun? Ay! You so galing, no? May baby love.
Oh, it's you. I'm so itim.
Iwanan kanya.
Huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Ha, ha, nandito ako. Huwag kang mag-alala. Sa what?